I bet you didn't know how easy it is to transform your phone into a powerful ethical hacking tool in just 10 minutes. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hi, this is Saoz, IT specialist and member at Web Development. Kali Linux is a special operating system for security experts. It's like a toolbox full of programs for testing and finding weaknesses in computer systems. Think of it as a high-tech detective kit for the digital world. What makes Kali Linux so powerful is its collection of pre-installed tools. These tools are designed for various security tasks like cracking passwords, scanning networks, and simulating attacks. The best part? You can transform your ordinary phone into a powerful hacking device with Kali Linux in just 10 minutes without any complicated modifications. Stay tuned for our step-by-step guide and make sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Before we begin, we need to gather a few essential tools and make sure our phone is ready. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. First, ensure your phone has enough free storage space. Kali Linux needs some room to breathe. Think of it like making space in your garage for a new workbench. Second, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. We'll be downloading files, and a steady connection will prevent any interruptions. Lastly, charge your phone fully or plug it into a power source. Installing Kali Linux can be battery intensive, and we don't want your phone dying in the middle of the process. Our journey into the world of ethical hacking starts with an app called Termux. This powerful tool transforms your Android device into a versatile Linux environment, opening up endless possibilities for learning and exploration. Think of Termux as a gateway that allows us to run Linux commands on our Android phone. With Termux, you can install and use a wide range of command line software, from text editors to programming languages, all within the palm of your hand. It's like having a secret passage to a whole new world inside your phone. Imagine being able to write scripts, manage files, and even run servers, all from your mobile device. The possibilities are truly endless. To get started, go to the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for Termux. The app is free to download and use, making it accessible to everyone interested in diving into the world of ethical hacking. Once you've found it, tap the install button and wait for the app to download and install. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few moments. Once installed, open Termux to begin your journey. You'll be greeted by a black screen with some text. This is the command line interface. It might look intimidating at first, but don't worry. This interface is your gateway to powerful tools and commands that will help you learn and grow as an ethical hacker. Don't be intimidated, it's your portal to becoming an ethical hacker. With a bit of practice and patience, you'll soon be navigating the command line with ease, unlocking new skills and capabilities along the way. Welcome to the exciting world of Termux and ethical hacking. Now that we have Termux, we need to acquire the Kali Linux image. This image is like a blueprint that contains all the necessary files to create our Kali Linux system. We'll be using a smaller, specialized version of Kali Linux designed for devices with limited resources. This ensures smooth performance on your phone. Type the following command in Termux to download the Kali Linux image: wget okali.tar.exe https://tinyurl.com/kali-arm64. This command tells Termux to download a file from the internet and save it as kali.tar.exe on your phone. Think of it like ordering a package online. The delivery address is your phone's storage. With the Kali Linux image downloaded, we can proceed with the installation. This is an exciting step, as we are about to transform our mobile device into a powerful tool for penetration testing and security research. The process might seem a bit technical, but with careful attention to each step, you'll have Kali Linux running on your phone in no time. This is where we unpack the blueprint and build our hacking environment. Think of it as setting up a new workspace. Just like an artist prepares their studio, we are preparing our digital studio for some serious work. The tools we are about to set up will help us explore and understand the security landscape better. In Termux, type the following command to unpack the downloaded image: xd-kali.tar.exe, then tar xvav-kali.tar. These commands are crucial as they will decompress and extract the files we need. Imagine you have a compressed folder full of important documents. These commands are like unzipping that folder to access its contents. This command extracts the contents of the kali.tar.xz file, similar to unpacking boxes after moving into a new house. Each file extracted is like a piece of furniture or a tool that we will use in our new digital workspace. It's important to ensure that all files are correctly unpacked to avoid any issues later on. Next, we need to navigate to the directory where Kali Linux is installed. Type cd Kali Linux ARM64. This step is akin to finding the right room in your house where you want to set up your office. By navigating to the correct directory, we ensure that we are in the right place to start configuring our environment. This command changes our current directory to Kali Linux ARM64, which is like entering a specific room in our new house. Once inside, we can start arranging our tools and setting up our workspace. It's a crucial step to make sure everything is organized and ready for the next phase. Finally, initialize the Kali Linux environment /start-kali.shi. This command is like turning on the lights and powering up all the equipment in our new workspace. It sets up the necessary configurations for Kali Linux to run smoothly on your phone, ensuring that all systems are go. This command sets up the necessary configurations for Kali Linux to run smoothly on your phone. Once completed, you will have a fully functional Kali Linux environment at your fingertips, ready for you to explore and use for your security research and penetration testing needs. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Kali Linux inside Termux. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Kali Linux on your phone. This is a significant step towards having a powerful, portable penetration testing environment right in your pocket. With Kali Linux, you have access to a wide array of tools and utilities that can help you with various cybersecurity tasks. Now let's connect to it and start exploring. The first thing you need to do is ensure that your phone is ready to run the Kali Linux environment smoothly. This involves setting up a few applications that will help you interact with the system. In Termux, type the following command to start the Kali Linux environment, vanserver start. Termux is a powerful terminal emulator for Android that allows you to run Linux commands on your phone. By typing this command, you are initiating the virtual desktop environment of Kali Linux. This command launches a virtual desktop environment, which we can access using a VNC Viewer app. The VNC Viewer app acts as a bridge, allowing you to see and interact with the graphical interface of Kali Linux. Think of it like opening a window to our Kali Linux system. This window gives you a full desktop experience, making it easier to navigate and use the tools available in Kali Linux. Download and install a VNC Viewer app from the Google Play Store. There are several options available, but it's important to choose one that is reliable and user-friendly. I recommend VNC Viewer, Remote Desktop by Real VNC. This app is well regarded for its performance and ease of use, making it a great choice for accessing your Kali Linux environment. Once installed, open the VNC Viewer app and enter the address displayed in your Termux window. This address is essentially the location of your virtual desktop environment on your phone. It should look something like this: 127.0.0.1, 5901. This is a loopback address, meaning it points back to your own device, allowing you to connect to the virtual desktop environment running on your phone. Enter the password you set earlier when prompted. This step ensures that only you have access to the Kali Linux environment, adding a layer of security to your setup. You are now connected to your Kali Linux environment. From here, you can start exploring the various tools and features that Kali Linux offers. Whether you're conducting penetration tests, analyzing network security, or learning more about cybersecurity, your mobile Kali Linux setup is ready to assist you. Let's make sure everything is working as expected. In your VNC Viewer, you should see a familiar Kali Linux desktop environment. Open a terminal window by clicking on the terminal icon, which looks like a black screen with a white prompt. Type the following command to check your Kali Linux version LSB_release A. This command will display information about your Kali Linux system, confirming its successful installation. You now have a portable, ethical hacking powerhouse at your fingertips. With great power comes great responsibility. As ethical hackers, it's crucial to use our skills responsibly and ethically. Remember, hacking without permission is illegal and unethical. Always obtain explicit consent before attempting to access or test any computer system that doesn't belong to you. Use your knowledge for good, help others secure their systems, report vulnerabilities responsibly, and contribute to a safer digital world. This is just the beginning of your ethical hacking journey. Kali Linux offers a vast collection of tools to explore and master. Familiarize yourself with tools like Nmap for network scanning, Metasploit for penetration testing, and Wireshark for network analysis. Join online communities, attend workshops, and never stop learning. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning.